Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you how to make money online. This video is going to be very fast in a swift. So first of all, head over to Google Play Store and download your app. So the name of the app is called Fire VIP. You head over there and download. So after downloading, you go back to your app. You register with you log in or sign up with your phone number and password. So after that, after logging in, you should see a dashboard like this. You can skip all of that. Then make sure all the pop-up notification you go through them. So after that, you come over to rent. You rent. Start now. Be started. And after that, you wait. See, my balance was 24. It's going to increase to 2,500. And the minimum withdrawal is 4,000. So confirm. You can go start now. Completed. You can, when you reach 2,000, when you reach 4,000, you'll be able to withdraw. Just go to withdraw, put your account details and withdraw. Log in. Also, and you get 100 naira per day, so you mine for 40 days to reach the minimum withdrawal. So after that, you can invite and get commission. You can also rent. Go to rent, upgrade. You can upgrade to A level, that is 4,000. I'm earning 200 naira per day, which means within 20 days you get 4,000 and you withdraw. So within 20 days you get back your capital. So after that, the remaining days is your gain. Then I can come to the B level, 16,000. You gain 851 naira per day. C level, D level. You can also come to the super admission where you get the more higher. You can compare this 16,000 naira. You earn 1,056 naira in a day, while it's around 16,851 per day. So thank you for watching. Do watch my video on how to make money online with PwC websites. The video is in the link is in the description below.